Welcome back to another video, guys. So in this video I'm actually changing out the front grille on my Honda Accord Euro CU2, otherwise known as the Acura TSX. So this is the stock grille that came with the car, and I've decided to go for a MV tuning front grille, which has come all the way from Russia. It was the only grille that I could find in the style that I was looking for, and the shipping time was only around 1 week. It came out really well, and I'm excited to show you guys the whole process. So this is how the grille comes. So it doesn't come with any holes drilled in the body mounting points up the top just there, and the grille on the front here is attached by a few small clips. So just going now underneath the car, you have to remove the front bumper to change out the front grille. So I'm just removing 7 or 8 body clips underneath the car, and then there'll be a couple on the sides there as well. You have to repeat the process up the top here also. And once you've removed all of the body clips, there's 2 screws on the insides of the wheel wells. Remove those and then the bumper pops right off. There's clips underneath the headlights, which is what holds it on once all the clips have been removed. So I just keep all my screws and clips organised in these little buckets, and you can see just here how many clips we ended up with, quite a few, and luckily I only broke one. So dropping the front bumper here, you can see the little clips on the right hand side of the bumper there and how it clips underneath the headlight. And the grille itself is actually attached by 3 body clips underneath the grille and 2 screws on the sides. Once you remove all those, the grille comes right off. So here is the new grille. So it just kind of clips into place using the existing mounting points. There are no screws or body clips needed for that just there. And this is the process here of drilling the top. So you will have to drill the mounting points in the top of the grille, but you're not modifying the existing car. And that just allows these body clips to sit in there and provide a nice OEM look on the top there. Overall it comes out nice and smooth, and I think it's a really nice upgrade to the car. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.